Hi friends, let us see how to form plural in German. In English, it is very easy to create plural. We have to add a symbol s. In German, it is much more complicated. Plural nouns in German are very irregular, so it's best to memorize the plural form with the singular. However, there are some rules that can help us create plural. As you already know, we have three main articles in German: der, die, and das. If we use a noun in the plural form, we always use the same article, die. In order to form the plural, we distinguish between the different endings of a noun. Let us see it. Without change of the ending, without change but with umlaut, adding e without umlaut, adding e with umlaut, adding er without umlaut, adding er with umlaut, adding n, en and nen, adding s. Now let us see each category with examples. Some nouns do not have any plural endings. The table shows the type of nouns that are not changed in the plural, but no feminine noun uses this rule. Masculine nouns endings with el, er and en. For example, der Onkel, die Onkel, der Lehrer, die Lehrer, der Braten, die Braten. Some neuter nouns with the endings el, er, en, chen or lein. For example, das Rätsel, die Rätsel, das Kissen, die Kissen, das Messer, die Messer, das Mädchen, die Mädchen. There are some nouns whose endings do not change but they have an umlaut on the vowel. For example, der Apfel, die Äpfel, der Vater, die Väter, der Boden, die Böden. In feminine, there are only two nouns: die Mutter, die Mütter, die Tochter, die Töchter. And in neuter, there is only one noun: das Kloster, die Klöster. Some nouns remain unchanged in the plural, but they take the suffix e. Most of them are in masculine, rarely in feminine or neuter. In this category, most of the masculine nouns and some nouns with the endings ling, ig, and eur. For example, der Ruf, die Rufe, der Besuch, die Besuche, der Flüchtling, die Flüchtlinge. Nouns with the endings nis in feminine. In this case, the s is doubled. For example, die Kenntnis, die Kenntnisse, die Erlaubnis, die Erlaubnisse. And in neuter, most of the neuter noun and nouns with the endings nis or sal. For example, das Ergebnis, die Ergebnisse, das Schicksal, die Schicksale, das Jahr, die Jahre. The plural of some nouns is formed with the suffix e and an umlaut. In masculine, the plural of most of the masculine nouns are formed like this. For example, der Sohn, die Söhne, der Zug, die Züge, der Arzt, die Ärzte, der Baum, die Bäume. Most of the monosyllabic female nouns use this rule. Die Angst, die Ängste, die Frucht, die Früchte, die Macht, die Mächte, die Stadt, die Städte. Some German nouns use the suffix er to form the plural, but there is no feminine noun that uses this rule. In masculine, there are only few words. For example, der Geist, die Geister, der Leib, die Leiber. Most of the neuter nouns that does not contain a vowel capable of carrying an umlaut. For example, das Kind, die Kinder, das Bild, die Bilder, das Ei, die Eier, das Lied, die Lieder. The plural of certain nouns is formed with the suffix er and an umlaut, but no feminine noun uses this rule. For example, der Mann, die Männer, der Wald, die Wälder, der Mund, die Münder, der Reichtum, die Reichtümer. In neuter, for example, das Haus, die Häuser, das Land, die Länder, das Buch, die Bücher, das Wort, die Wörter. Most German feminine nouns form their plural by adding n, en, or nen to their singular form. Some masculine and neuter nouns also follow this rule. Let us see it. Der Junge, die Jungen, der Name, die Namen, der Stadt, die Staaten, der Schmerz, die Schmerzen. Please note, in feminine, n is doubled. Now let us see some examples in feminine. Die Blume, die Blumen, die Stunde, die Stunden, die Frau, die Frauen, die Freundin, die Freundinnen, die Studentin, die Studentinnen. Nouns ending with um or ma and some other nouns in neuter. For example, das Thema, die Themen, das Datum, die Daten, das Auge, die Augen, das Herz, die Herzen, das Bett, die Betten. There are some German nouns that take a s in their plural form. Many of them are words from other languages. In masculine, for example, der Streik, the strikes, der Pulli, the pulleys, der Opa, the opas, der Park, the parks, der Chef, the chefs. In feminine, the camera, the cameras. In neuter, das Auto, the autos, das Restaurant, die Restaurants, das Hotel, the hotels. Some German nouns do not have a plural form. For example, die Milch, das Wasser, das Fleisch, das Obst, die Liebe, die Kälte, die Wärme. Dear friends, hope you will enjoy learning. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel for new videos. Wish you all the best. Auf Wiedersehen.